Oh yeah, slab, slab. That is a slab right there. That's a slab crappie right there. But
we back anyway. That happened.
Polars in the trunk, tackle box on the seat. Snow, heat, cold, still bring the heat. Team Scarfish roll deep, lakeside retreat.
What's going on, YouTube? We are at one of my favorite places, the most memorable place since I moved from up north to down here. I'm pretty sure if Steve is still watching this channel, he knows where I'm at. That's one of my mentor slash one of my awesome friends that I met over here. He taught me how to bass fish and all that. And lo and behold, there's some pretty good crappies and bluegills too. I mean, really good ones. I've caught some 13s and 14s, crappies that is. But we about to hurry up and get out here because it's supposed to be like really windy and it might rain. We got overcast, so I'm gonna throw some bobbers and let's see what we do. I'll see you guys in the water. Might keep some crappies today. Depends on how I feel. All right, we're here. Let's see if we can catch anything by the cottontail. We used to catch some really good ones back in the days, but this place get overfished like a lot. Community hole, that's what we used to call it, still do. We gotta get up on them cattails. I said cottontails earlier, my bad. I meant cattails. As long as we don't get into the cattail, we're good. Now I'm just twitching it back to me. Slowly inching it, inch by inch by inch. Then let it sit for a minute. I need to put some of that crappie nibble on there. Oh, somebody had it. Somebody had it. Oh, I seen that. Oh, oh, oh. How many times are you gonna hit it? Oh, there we go. Bluegill. Yep. He ain't even worth eating. If I fry you up, you'll be gone. Ow. A poke for a poke, I guess. Little bluegill. That duck eating all the fish. Why am I going away from the cattail? Oh, did not know he was on there. Bluegill. Man, these guys fight hard. Oh, red ear. A baby red ear. Look at him. Okay. Oh, I almost caught that turtle. There's a little river kid. Is it? Nope. Couple here and there.
What, bass or bluegill?
Bluegill and crappie.
Crappie?
Yep. You?
I usually catch catfish, but sometimes bluegill.
Good deal. We need a stick, a long stick, was. Just whack all that down. Come on. Oh, there we go. Where you going? Where's my bobber? I can't see my bobber. Oh, oh no, that cattail. Ooh, a bass. I thought you was a crappie. Little beautiful bass. Let them go. They don't feel so cold now. Oh, slab. Oh yeah, slab. Slab. Oh yeah. Oh, come this way, come this way. No, 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 don't go that way. Oh yeah, slab. Slab. Oh, that's a slab. That is a slab right there. That's a slab crappie right there. But lucky for her, we're letting her go. Look at that. Look at that. Whoo. Let's get a picture real quick. Let's get a picture real quick. Crappie? Yeah. Let's let him go. Bobber keeps on wanting to hide behind these cattails and I can't see. Oh, 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 there we go. That's a gilly. That's a little gilly too. Hey, he's swimming right to me. Nope, red ear. Baby red ear. Baby, once you get bigger, you're gonna be yummy. Let him go. Let's do it again. Oh. Just jigging it back towards me. I should have put that crappie on a bump board. See how long it was. What was, oh. Let's show you guys what I'm working with. I got a little slip bobber, slider bobber, slip bobber, and I got a little weight right there. And I got 2 bobber stoppers holding that still with a swivel, 8-pound fluorocarbon down to the eye hole jig head, and a black and chartreuse trout magnet. Yeah, 2-pound panfish braid. That's it. That's it. Oh, don't get onto that. Okay. I'm not keeping none today because I'm going back out Sunday. Tomorrow, Saturday, is going to be thunderstorms. So we're not going out in that. Well, we tried, and we tried. The time is just not right yet. So with that being said, I'm gonna end it right here. My main battery pack died on me, so I couldn't get any more fish catches. Well, I wasn't catching anymore anyways, but we're gonna make this short and simple and sweet. So without further ado, I love you guys. I thank you guys for the love and support, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Peace. I'm out.